Building a body at home comes down to consistency and how you set your mind. In this video, I will show exactly how to achieve that. Excellence is not an act but a habit. In this video, I will not give you a workout plan or anything like that because I think it's useless. Like, why should you not instead have the knowledge to create one yourself? But you can say, why should I do that when I can just get one anyway? A workout plan is not an object like you think it is. Let me explain. It is created by testing things out and what works and what doesn't. And most importantly, it is optimized specifically for you. If someone is giving you a workout plan, then that means it works well for them. Why? Because it was created off of a journey of trial and error of their own experience, not yours. Who said that it will work for you? So what you actually need is the knowledge that they have, so you can be where they are. To create a routine, you first need to find out how much time you can give to working out comfortably. Like, for example, if you have daily school, then you will probably be tired and wouldn't want to do that much. So 15 minutes a day should be comfortable for you. Exercises are quite easy to find. Simply go on Google and type whatever muscle you want to hit muscle group. I'm assuming you already know the names of the major muscle groups, but each muscle has its subpart, usually 2 or 3, and by searching that you will find these subparts. Now the next step is to choose one subpart and type whichever subpart you chose exercises. With dumbbell at home, at gym, it depends really on you. Now do this with other subparts and muscles. Now another thing, you can hit the same muscle with different exercises. For example, you can grow the chest with push-ups as well as bench press. So the question is, what exercise should I choose? The answer is very simple actually, whichever you like the most. And you know this is actually crucial, because if you do not like the exercise that you do, then you'll never do it. Who said that you have to dislike exercises, huh? I like doing push-ups, reps and sets. So reps are basically how many movements you can do in one go. So for example, if you do bicep curl 5 times, then that is 5 repetitions. Do 10 push-ups and that is 10 repetitions. A set is how many movements you can do in one go. So for example, if you are doing 10 push-ups in one go, then that is one set. And if you're wanting to do 20 bicep curls in 2 goes, then that is 2 sets. Now, how many sets should you do? That really depends on your goal. If you want to build muscles, by the way, building muscle is known as hypertrophy and workout terms, so you can search about it, then the optimal range is 8 to 12 reps. But if you want to lose weight, then to be honest, do it until your muscles literally starts to burn, because that means there is heat and your fat is burning. As for sets, again it depends on your goal, but general idea is between 2 to 4. So for example, if your main goal is to build muscles rather than losing fat, then so for example you will do 3 sets of 12 reps. Resilience. Now that was the technical side. Now we will talk about the more realistic side, which to be honest is more important. Don't worry, it is not very difficult. When I started working out, I got made fun of. People literally laughed at my face and were like, "You're skinny, what are you gonna do by working out?" I know it sounds dumb, but nevertheless, you will face this too. It may be of different kind, but you will also have to face social pressure. Things like going into the gym and feeling insecure because everyone is in shape, but you are not. The thumb rule is don't care. Like legit, it works like miracle. Don't worry about what other people are thinking. Just do your thing. You are there to build yourself. If you hold a dumbbell, then that is because you want to get big. So why do you care what other people think? Now do not be arrogant. This video is literally about learning. You have to keep learning. May it be from your own experience or something that someone else is telling you. Constantly have a learning mindset, for knowledge is what differs awesomeness from loser. For consistency, you need a good reason for working out, like a really good one that will get you out of your bed. It can be anything, to be honest, to get girls, to be strong enough to be relied upon, and etc. It is different for everyone, whatever works for you. What this will do is it will allow you to show up for exercising. Next is that you be passionate about this. If you really do not want to work out, then it would be better to overthink about why you should do this. For example, you want to lose weight but actually don't want to do it even though you know it is better for you, then you should really start to think, are you really gonna let your body be trash? Take things personally, dude. You can't run for much of a while. Be angry about it. Be passionate about working out so you will be able to actually run a lot. For skinny dudes, just try to eat a little more every week or so. For fat people, the trick is to not eat less but to eat healthy. Avoid fizzy drinks and trash food like burgers. The thing is, people over exaggerate everything and do not even do the fundamentals. They are so focused on going to the advanced level that they don't even are aware of the common sense and do the fundamentals. It is common sense. If you want to gain weight, then you eat more. If you want to lose weight, then you eat healthy. Just doing that efficiently should do so much for you, but people don't care about that. Now in the end, I would like to tell that don't give up. People are gonna tell you a lot of stuff, and you're gonna feel a lot of things. Maybe at times you don't wanna work out. Remember, whatever you put in, you're gonna get later. Whatever you do for yourself right now, your future self will thank you for it. If not for your future self, then just working out as its own is gonna make you happy, because that means you're working on yourself, and that is something to be proud of. That is something that is gonna actually make you happy. I mean, imagine scrolling all day and instead of doing that you work out. Why are you not gonna be happy? Why are you not gonna be happy about improving yourself? If we help other people, then we are generally happy. So why would we not be happy when we are working on ourselves? Don't go in for the temporary pleasures like scrolling. Go for the long-term things that is actually gonna make you better in some manner, and that is actually gonna be useful to you. In the end, it is your choice. Everything is your choice. If you decide in your brain that you want to lose weight or gain weight or have an awesome body, then no force in this world can stop you.